BKTPF stock, Cruz Battery Metals Corp. It closed the session of the 12th of November 2021 at $0.1835, a gain of 6.98%. 1.1 million shares crossed the tape, which I think is probably above average. Not exactly sure whether that is the case. Let's see whether it's above average. Yes, okay, it's not above average for the last 10 trading sessions, not above average. So this stock is currently correcting from a rally that it ran up from the 28th of October. It's correcting from that. But before we continue with what's going on with the stock technically, we can see this news here, this piece of news written on this site is DRP Journal. It says here that the company has secured a drilling permit for the solar lithium project in Nevada. I say Cruz Battery Metal Corp on November the 1st, 2021 announced it's secured a drilling permit for the Bureau of Land Management for solar lithium project in Nevada. The company's solar project is on the border of American Lithium Corp TLC project. As per the Stantec report, the Tonopah Lithium claims has about 5.37 metric tons of lithium carbonate equivalent, along with 1.76 metric tons of lithium carbonate. Okay, so the results from the company's recent sampling program included values such as 1,610 parts per million lithium, and the firm is planning to drill the project harnessing the information. Lithium prices have reached all-time highs. Investors' interest in lithium's Nevada stock is rising. Yes, you can clearly see that. Not just the rally that began on the 28th. The stock, the underlying trend, you can see that is clearly bullish. The underlying trend is clearly bullish. I can say all the way back to November of last year. So this is 1 year of continued bullish move. So since that time, only how many times has it closed below this 200-day moving average? At this point, it was extending nicely. You know, all the moving averages were bunched up there. You know, so the stock has been doing well. You can see that. Just before, early in October, it got some support from its 50 and 200-day moving averages, and since that time it has continued to extend. Now it has broken out to the upside, showing a significant broken out to the upside, showing the bullish side of things prominently, much more than it did before now. So yes, the only time it showed that was sometime also early this year. It broke out steeply, but this time around we're seeing that it has done that again and has continued to extend. But right now it is correcting, presenting a good buying opportunity as well. And it corrected, and even though it fell below the 10-day moving average on this daily chart, but not below the 200-day moving average. Is it optionable? Let's see whether it's optionable. I shouldn't expect that it should be optionable. Well, I'm not going to bother to check whether it is, because there's a good chance it's not. It's still a penny stock. It's traded on the Canadian Securities Exchange. That's where it's been traded. So easily you can see on this chart we can see that its momentum is waning right now, just waning at the moment. Its MACD has to converge with its signal line. All of these are indicating that it has lost some strength, but the RSI is indicating that yes, it is still, even though it has shown some weakness, but there is still some strength. This is on the daily model. We can't see any of the shorter term models like the 5-day, 10-day, maybe because it's not on the, so because maybe probably it's because from it is from a Canadian source. Okay, momentum is strongly bearish. even though this daily model is indicating some weakness, they're still saying it is strongly bearish, strongly bullish. The volume for this session, the 12th of November 2021, was heavier than usual, trading 1.143 million shares versus an average of 764,000 shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. It has a volatility of 133.86%. So we have determined that it will, within before this month, November 2021 runs out, we expect it to actually reach $0.3. Yes, we expect it to do so based on how it has extended and retraced of late. We expect it to reach $0.3. We expect it to reach an all-time high, or rather a 52-week high of $0.3. Is it possible? Yeah, it is possible based on what it has done of late. And the underlying trend is strongly bullish. We don't expect it really to begin to get bearish anytime soon. So yes, we maintain that $0.3 and we'll continue to update it. We'll continue to update it, probably extend it. There's a good chance it will continue to extend further. So see what you make of BKTPF stock. Strongly bullish, underlying trend strongly bullish. Currently just cooling off a bit from this 52-week high it reached on the 2nd of November, $0.24. That was that high. Okay, see what you make of it, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.